Hey y'all, I'm Mary with Southern Spoon. Today we're going to make vanilla, homemade vanilla with the alcohol and the vanilla beans. We're going to make orange liqueur for it, lemon, and maybe almond. I haven't decided if I want just lemon or if I want almond and some lemon, but that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started. So here's the bottles I'm using. I ordered these off Amazon. I thought they were pretty cute. You just put the top in. It's got like a little rubber stopper and push it down. Then it came with like the little twine with some little tags with the holes pre-cut in them for you, so you could use those. It came with extra rubber stoppers in case you need them. It came with this funnel. I'm not so sure it's going to work well, but we'll try it. And it also came with they're stickers is what they are, you could put on here. So they would actually kind of wrap around the edge a little bit. I will probably end up doing the little hangers or make my own. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one we're going to make is just the straight vanilla. You can use a dark liquor, a rum, dark rum, or whatever you want. I'm just going to use the vodka because that's what I had bought for the rest of it. So these jars are about 8.5 is what I think the description said. I didn't measure it. You could use 5 to 7 of your vanilla beans in it. What I would do is take and make just a small slice just to expose the vanilla beans just a little bit. And then we're going to put it in our jar. I'm going to do every one of them like that. I'd seen this on videos forever and had never tried it. And I finally remembered to order the beans. I guess you could buy them in a store, but they are very, very expensive in a store and not as good of a quality. I ordered these on Amazon as well. I'll leave that in the link and the bottles in the link below for you. So there's what we look like. I'm going to get some more made up and then we'll come back and add our alcohol. Okay, so I've got my bottles all filled with the vanilla beans, vodka, whatever kind you want. I just grabbed some from the store. I don't really drink it, so. We will try their funnel that came with it. I'm going to hang on to it though. So you just want to fill it up. Oh, it works. You do want to hang on to it though. Just cover your beans up. And of course, I had to spill some. And then we're just going to shut it up. These need to set at least 3 months, more if possible. They say the more they set, the better they are. But that's what it looks like. It's so pretty, I think. That would be very pretty, just sitting out. The next one we're going to make is a orange core. I'm going to try using the peeler. You do not want to get the I don't know what it's called, this black part of the orange. Maybe it'll come to me. All you want is the outside of it. The peeler works very good for this. I've already washed them really well. Make sure you get them very clean because it's going in something you're going to be cooking with. Okay, let's see what one looks like in your bottle. Okay, there's our oranges. Let's add our vodka. Same thing, you want to cover your oranges up. There you have it. How pretty is that to set out? The next one we're going to make, I'm going to make 2 lemon and 2 almond. Same thing as before. Wash your lemons really, really well. And then just peel the outside of them off. Don't get the white part, just like with your lemons or if you're zesting a lemon. Let's get this added to your bottle, just like before. This is very easy. I don't know why I haven't done it before. Since I don't have any more lemons, I'm going to finish this with the last lemon I have. For this one, we're going to make almond extract. How I'm going to do this, I have no idea. I'm going to make a mess is what I'm going to do. I'm using about a half a cup. Let's see what that looks like. That should be enough, really. That should be about enough. Same thing, funnel, and fill it up with, spilled it on my hand, vodka. There we go. Okay, now we're going to do our half cup of almonds. There we go. there we have it. We got them all done. Vanilla, orange, almond, and lemon. Thank y'all for joining. Like and subscribe.